Hey everybody, Wire here. It's been a couple weeks since I've made a video, so I've been really busy. I hope everybody had a nice holiday. Grandchildren came down Christmas Eve, had a great time with them. And actually I was pretty busy at the flea market the last 2 weeks. We were open 10 days out of the 14, so that worked out fairly well for me. Anyway, here's a couple tools I found at the flea market. The flea market that I'm in about 3 weeks ago, and I'm not sure which one we're going to do today, but let me go through them real quick. Here's a pair of Oxwell needle nose pliers, and they need a little bit of work to them. They weren't seized or anything, but they got a lot of rust on them, so we'll have to see what we got to do to get that all clean. I'm hoping to be able to get these handles off without damaging them, because I want to put them back on, but we'll see. And here we have a Kraeuter crescent wrench. Not in too bad a shape, but it used a little bit of cleaning up. And a pair of Kraeuter slip joint pliers. These need a little bit of cleaning up too. The screw here is painted over, so we'll have to do something to see what we can do to get that taken care of. So I think what we're going to do, I think we're going to clean these up. Let's clean these Krauters up, and I can put them with my other Krauters that I have. Anyway, let me get this cleared up and get set up, and we'll start working on this. Okay, boy, this was tough to get apart. I did try filing this screw down, and I did wind up getting it off, but it was really tough. I ripped up a couple of threads in here, so I want to clean it up, and we'll see if we can reuse this. If not, I'm gonna have to find something else to use. Anyway, let me get the wire brush hooked up, and we'll start cleaning this up. This is wire. Okay, we wire wheeled this. I'm going to try something different. I ordered some fiber wheels like everybody else is using about 6 weeks ago, and I still haven't received them yet. I don't know what's going on. I know the post office is like a month behind in delivery, so I'm still waiting for them. Anyway, I went over Harbor Freight to see if they had anything similar, and the best I could find was this thing here. And it's some kind of fiber wheel. It looks like it's real coarse. So we're going to try this one here and see what it winds up being. And by the way, this had some kind of coating on it. It might be vanadium or something. But let's try this out and see how this works out for us. Okay, this is after wire wheel and this fiber wheel, and this little fiber wheel did a good job of getting all the rust off, and I think it took the coating off too. So what we're going to do now is polish this up on a belt sander, see if we can get some of these little nicks out of here, and maybe get this shining up a little bit. So let me set that up and we'll do that. Be right back. Okay, everybody, here they are. Oh, they turned out really nice and shiny. I don't like going all the way down on these. I like to leave some of the history in them. I just like to clean them up, polish them up a little bit, because you never know, I might be using them. Anyway, they turned out really nice. You can still see Kraeuter 36 USA. This is a different nut and a different bolt here. What happened is when I was cleaning the nut on the wire wheel, it flew across the room, and it took me about 2 hours. I couldn't find it. So anyway, I put a substitute in here until I find it. I put the nut away, the bolt away. So when I find it, I'll put it back in here. I'll wind up taking a nut and bolt off of one of these Chinese ones. I hate doing that to this, but I just wanted to get it together. That way I don't lose the pliers. Anyway, fellas, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And I don't know, some of you guys, I don't know if some of you guys do this. Any of you guys build models? And if you do, I like building models my own self. And if you'd like, would you like me to try to do a model and make me building a model video? Just let me know. I have the wife got me a bunch of models for Christmas because I like doing them. If you want, if I get enough people commenting that they would like to see me build a model, well, we can do one. If not, we'll do something else. Anyway, fellas, have a good one. Happy New Year to you all, and God bless you all. This is Wire. See ya.